What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a professional website using AI. We'll be using Claude AI to create a complete website from scratch without manually coding everything ourselves. I'll show you how AI can help generate the design, structure, and content, and how you can turn an idea into a fully working website much faster. Let's get straight into it. Start building. We need to decide what type of website we're creating. For this example, I'll be building a website for a plumbing business because local businesses are always looking for professional websites to attract more customers. The first thing I'm going to do is open Claude and give it a detailed prompt. Instead of just saying, "Build me a website," I'll explain exactly what I need: the business type, design style, sections, features, and the overall look I want. The more details you give AI, the better the final result will be. Now let's add the prompt and see what Claude can create. Now that we have our prompt ready, let's see what Claude can do. Into Claude and let it start generating the website. As you can see, Claude is creating the structure, writing the code, and building the different sections automatically. It's creating the layout, adding the content, styling the elements, and putting everything together without us having to manually code each part. This is where AI saves a lot of time. Instead of spending hours building a website from scratch, we can use AI to create a strong foundation in just a few minutes. Now let's take a look at the first version. And there we have it. We've created a professional business website using AI, from start to finish. What would normally take hours of coding and designing can now be completed much faster with the help of AI. AI isn't replacing web designers, it's giving them better tools to work faster, build more websites, and focus on growing their business. If you're interested in learning how to build websites with AI, find clients using AI, and automate your agency, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.